Hey there, Alex Kidman here. Time once again for another unboxing. In this case, the Seagate FireCuda 530R SSD. So if you've seen any of my unboxings, you know how I do this. I don't muck about, but also any errors stay in, anything I get wrong stays in. I just kind of go for it. So don't expect too many jump cuts unless I lose a finger right about now. Not so much. Although I'm not doing a great job of hitting that tape now, am I? No, I am not. Oh, there we go. I think I've got an edge on it. There we go. Scissors, a wonderful invention. Now, I'm doing an unboxing here. I will be reviewing this at Alex Reviews Tech, although at this stage, I'm not planning to do much more in the video sense on this particular device because, well, I mean, it's an SSD. They are solid state drives. They don't move. And look, here it is. Here is the SSD. Nice looking thing. Yeah, definitely a nice looking thing. But the point there, of course, is there's no moving parts. There's not really anything I can show you in a review. So it'll basically just be benchmark tables. But if you would like a video review, if you'd like me to do this, then leave me a comment below and I might put something simple together just with some of my observations on speeds and feeds and so on and how I found the drive itself. I better get to installing this.